welcome back to my channel. I just filmed the like pack with me in my 40-liter Osprey backpack. He's a little nosy. And then right now I'm gonna pack my carry-on. I mean, not my carry-on, my personal and everything I'm gonna have in there. And I know I can fit some more in my 40-liter one, but just in case, I'm not sure if they're gonna make me like check it in. I want some things with me just in case, you know. So yeah, let's get that started. So this is an overview of what's gonna be in this bag. It is all of this. So a packing cube with my PJs, some of my toiletries, so like toothbrush, toothpaste, face stuff, just in case. A whole bunch of battery charging stuff. This other book bag, which is the 15-liter one that came with the big 40 Osprey one that's over here. And this is for like just in case when we come back and I need more space, I can attach it to the other one and then just check it in. These are like pads, sleeping mats, compression socks, like nail clippers and all that other stuff. These are the cameras I'm gonna bring, adapter, like converter, SD converter, SD cards, flushable wipes, Apple Watch, neck fan, Carabiners, and yeah, and everything's gonna go in here. So now let's see. So this isn't a minimalist video at all. I wish I can do it. This is the big bag I'm gonna be using technically, and I'm hoping they let me pass through it. It shouldn't be more than 15 pounds, so we should be good. So technically this is a little funny, but I am putting the extra one that came with the big Osprey 40-liter in this one because I am gonna need it. Sorry guys, I'm filming on my iPad again, so it might not be the best quality. It's not, but so I'm gonna put the Osprey one in here, and it honestly fits like perfectly, and then just flatten that out. And then I still have all this space plus the front zipper space. And honestly guys, I've been using this Northface one, I think, for like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think 6 strips so far, and I love it. It literally extends so much. Oh wait, like it can extend like a lot. It gets fat, trust me, and I just love it. And honestly, it's not even dirty for how much honestly it has gone through, to be honest. But yeah, I love it. So I'm gonna put this one in there, and then I'm gonna put the pajama cube with like my underwear and stuff down here. Oh, at the bottom, just squish it down there, because I'm not gonna really need that. And then I'm gonna put this one, which honestly I have, yeah, because this is where my compression socks are and my sleeping mats and all that. I'm gonna need that for the 16-hour flight, and like emergency kit and all that, pads and stuff like that. So this will be on top of this. And honestly, actually it's gonna go in front of the other one, so it's still gonna be, let me close this so you guys can see a little better. So I'm gonna stick this in the front because there's space there. You see, I just don't want them to see it as like really fat. Okay, I think I'm gonna put my toiletries in there, not this. Okay, take this out, and I'm gonna put this in there, which I still have to put a couple of things like my hand sanitizer and my toothbrush, but like honestly that's about it. So I'm gonna stick this in there. Should be good in there. Okay, that's good. And then this is for like once I'm over there and it's like super hot in Sri Lanka, so technically I don't really need this. I'm hoping they don't say anything about this, but I'm gonna just stick this maybe on this side, I guess. I'm hoping it doesn't break. Okay, so that's also, so I still have the rest of the front part still good. And then this I'm gonna throw in here, which it looks like it takes up the whole book bag, but honestly I'm just not trying to squeeze so many things in there. And it's also because this book bag is here, but if I didn't have it, we should be good. But yeah, this is good. Oh, why is this so cute? Oh my god, you're so cute. So I'm done with the big section up here. I'm pretty sure, I think that's it. So this is what the book bag looks like. Honestly, not fat at all. Nice throw all around. We're good. And now for the little book bag up here, this piece. So in the zipper, I'm gonna put all like the battery stuff. So this extra battery, is gonna go in here. The outlet converter thing. I don't know what it's called. Wait, does it not fit now? No. Oh, it's a little tight now because... Okay, so I guess change your plans. So I'm gonna put my Carabiners, and these are really good because just in case I am traveling just this over there or something, I can just add on. So these are the nice ones because they're harder to open. So you twist and... Wrong way. So you twist and open. So if I need to, I can easily just add something to here, so like the handle, and I can just have it hanging for a little, whatever the case may be. Something's wet, I don't know. If I can open it again. Okay, so these, I'm gonna keep these in the little case they came in, which is super duper cute. Put that in there and here, and I'm gonna put that in the zipper. And then I'm gonna put the SD card reader in there as well. So that's all I'm gonna put in there. Looking pretty good. Then, honestly, I'm gonna put the wipes in the big one, so I'm gonna just throw it in the bag. Okay, and then I'm not gonna put my cameras in there yet, or like charge and stuff, because I am gonna actually, like, I need to charge everything before I leave in like a week and a half. Oh my god, a week and a half. It's too fast. But these are the two cameras I'm bringing. My GoPro and my Canon. So this will, obviously this will just go in there. But then for my Canon, I did buy this for it. And I got this one because it is a little more protective, and it came with the Carabiners, so you can attach it to anything if you want, from a bag or to a belt. So I like that. And it fits, honestly, like perfectly, and it protects it pretty good. So literally just slides right in, and then I'm just gonna have it in here, but not right now. So that will go in there, and then I'm gonna have my, this is the charging thing for my GoPro, the batteries, and then this is the adapter thing for that. So that will go in there. Okay, I don't like how it looks kind of fat. I don't like that. I think I'm gonna have to stick that in there too then. Honestly, I think I'm gonna put this in the carry-on, and then I'll just bring this because I don't know if this can go in there. It's kind of a charging thing. Okay, so basically, if I were to put this in, that in, my GoPro in, sorry baby, my Apple Watch, and this would also go in there. I'm just gonna throw everything in there for now so you guys can see. And then my SD cards, I'm gonna put it in this little pouch, which technically this is where the, my Canon first came in. But I'm gonna just stick this in there. Close this. And yeah, this is my book bag, which I think is heavier than the other one. You know what? Now I gotta see how much this weighed. I'll be right back. Guys, I think I'm in trouble. How is this like 12 pounds? Well, I guess I'm gonna let you know how it goes after I come back. I don't think it's that big. It could be a lot bigger. Alright, well, that's pretty much what I packed in my, the Northface personal item. This is really what I bring with me everywhere. I love it. It also has pretty deep pockets. Obviously, if you have it packed, you're not going to be able to fit too much in there, but it does open up pretty good on both sides, and it's good, too, if you just don't have things that fit in here. You can just squish it right here, snacks or whatever you buy at the airport. The things are padded. I just love it. So now the only question is I just have to I have to look back at the dimensions and the sizes for my airline, and hopefully everything's good and it fits. That is the Northface Jester. I hope you guys liked this video. It was kind of just you guys seeing me struggle a little, but perfectly fine. And yeah, see you next time.